The wilderness calls to us in many voices. The mountains whisper of challenge and solitude. Forests beckon with ancient wisdom and dappled light. But the coast sings a siren song, a melody of freedom and untamed beauty that resonates deep within the soul. Beach camping is a unique experience, a chance to dwell at the edge of the world, where the rhythm of the tides dictates the day. There's a raw simplicity to sleeping on the sand, lulled to sleep by the crashing waves and awakened by the sunrise painting the sky in hues of gold and rose. It's a sensory feast, the salty air thick with the scent of brine and seaweed, the sand soft beneath your feet, the vastness of the ocean stretching before you, a constant reminder of the boundless power of nature. Unlike the woods, where shelter is readily available, the beach demands a different kind of resilience. You're exposed to the elements, vulnerable to the whims of the wind and the tide. But in that vulnerability lies a profound sense of freedom. Stripped bare of modern comforts, you're left to reconnect with your primal instincts, to find solace in the simplicity of nature's embrace. This is the allure of beach camping. It's a chance to shed the weight of everyday life, to trade the confines of walls for the boundless expanse of the sky. It's about surrendering to the rhythm of the sea, embracing the wild beauty of the coast, and rediscovering the joy of simple living. Setting up camp on the beach is a dance between respecting the environment and seeking shelter from the elements. Unlike a designated campground with predefined spots, the beach offers a blank canvas. Choosing the right location for your temporary home is paramount. Look for higher ground, away from the high tide line, marked by seaweed and debris. This ensures that a rogue wave won't turn your sleeping bag into a soggy mess in the middle of the night. Wind is another factor to consider. The coast can be breezy, and a strong gust can turn a relaxing evening into a kite-flying fiasco. Look for natural windbreaks, dunes, cliffs, or even a cluster of sturdy driftwood to provide some protection from the elements. If natural barriers are scarce, a windbreak can be created using a tarp and some sturdy poles. Once you've found the perfect spot, it's time to pitch your tent. Secure it firmly using sandbags or burying the tent pegs deep in the sand. The loose, shifting nature of the beach requires extra care to ensure your shelter holds strong against the wind. Before settling in, take a moment to appreciate the fragility of this ecosystem. Avoid setting up camp on dune grasses, as they play a crucial role in preventing erosion. Choose designated camping areas whenever possible, and be mindful of the creatures that call the beach home. Remember, you're a visitor in their world. The beauty of beach camping lies in its simplicity. Days are spent in tune with the rhythm of the sea, a constant ebb and flow of activity and repose. The ocean becomes your playground, offering endless opportunities for adventure and relaxation. Rise with the sun and greet the day with a refreshing dip in the surf, the cool water washing away any lingering sleepiness. As the day heats up, seek shelter from the sun under a beach umbrella or a makeshift driftwood shelter. A good book and the sound of the waves crashing on the shore provide the perfect soundtrack for a lazy afternoon. Explore the coastline, searching for seashells, sand dollars, and other treasures deposited by the tide. Build sandcastles that rival Neptune's palace, only to watch the waves reclaim them with the next high tide. As the sun begins its descent, gather around a crackling bonfire, the flames casting dancing shadows against the twilight sky. Share stories, roast marshmallows, and watch the stars emerge, their brilliance amplified by the absence of city lights. The beach becomes a magical place at night, the air alive with the sound of the waves and the distant cries of seabirds. Whether you seek adventure or tranquility, the beach offers a unique opportunity to reconnect with nature and rediscover the simple joys of life. Soak in the beauty of your surroundings, embrace the freedom of the open shore, and create memories that will last a lifetime. Section 4. Tread lightly, guardians of the shoreline. The beauty of the beach, its delicate ecosystem, depends on our respect and care. As beachgoers, we have a responsibility to minimize our impact and leave no trace of our presence behind. Pack it in, pack it out. This mantra holds particularly true on the beach, where trash can easily be swept away by the wind or tide, becoming a hazard to marine life. Embrace reusable alternatives to single-use plastics. Swap plastic water bottles for reusable ones, and bring your own shopping bags to minimize waste. Be mindful of the campfires. If permitted, build them below the high tide line, and use existing fire rings whenever possible. Before leaving, ensure your fire is completely extinguished and dispose of the ashes responsibly. Respect the delicate balance of the dune ecosystem. Avoid walking or driving on dune grasses as they play a crucial role in preventing erosion. Stick to designated paths and walkways to minimize your impact on the fragile vegetation. Remember, even seemingly small actions can have a significant impact on the delicate balance of the beach environment. By practicing leave no trace principles, we can all do our part to protect this precious resource for generations to come. Let's be mindful stewards of the shoreline, preserving its beauty for future beach lovers to enjoy. Section 5. Beach Memories, a tapestry of sun, sand, and sea. The beach holds a special place in our collective memory. It's a place where time slows down, where worries fade like the receding tide, and where we're free to reconnect with our inner child. The feel of sun-warmed sand beneath our feet, the salty tang of the ocean air, the rhythmic roar of the waves crashing against the shore. These sensory experiences become indelibly etched in our minds, evoking a sense of peace and tranquility long after we've left the shore. For some, beach memories are intertwined with family vacations, building sandcastles with siblings, the taste of salt and sunscreen lingering on our lips. For others, it's the thrill of riding the waves, the board a mere extension of our bodies as we dance with the ocean's power. And for some, it's the quiet moments of solitude, watching the sunrise paint the sky in breathtaking hues, the vastness of the ocean reminding us of our own small place in the grand scheme of things. The beach is a tapestry woven from countless individual experiences, each thread a story waiting to be told. It's a place of joy, of reflection, of connection with nature and with ourselves. It's a reminder of the simple pleasures in life, the beauty that surrounds us if we only take the time to notice. So, as you plan your next beach adventure, remember to savor every moment, to create new memories that will last a lifetime. What's your favorite beach memory?